We will do one more example, okay, so that you will it will be easy for you to understand the sum. So now here the question is factorize y cube minus 6y square minus y plus 30. Okay, so this is the polynomial in y and it is obviously a cubic polynomial, so you have to factorize this. So what is the first step? You will give it a name. Let p of y, because here this is the polynomial in y, so p of y equals to y cube minus 6y square minus y plus 30. Okay, so what is the next step? Next step is, of course, you have to find that value of y which will give you the value of py as 0. So you will start from 0, p of 0, you find p of 0, then you will get it as 30 obviously, and then you will try with p of 1. If you try with p of 1, you can try, okay, if you try with p of 1, you will not get it as 0. I want you to try, okay, just not only listen, please try and do it again. Okay, so if you do with minus 1, then also you will not get p of y as 0. And now next, if you try with p of 2, because we have to try, like we'll start from 0, then 1, if not with 1, then minus 1, then with 2, then with minus 2, then with 3, minus 3, and so on. Okay, so if I try with 2, then also I will not get the factor as the value of py as 0. Okay, but if I try with minus 2, then I will get p of y as 0. Okay, so let me try now. P of minus 2, I want you to check it for every value. Okay, I am just directly saying it, I will do with minus 2. So minus 2 means minus 2 cube minus 6 of minus 2 whole square minus of minus 2. I am putting the value of y as minus 2. Okay, so minus cube is minus, because the odd power of minus is always minus. 3 is odd, right? So 2 cube is 8, isn't it? So minus 6 into minus square is plus, right? So plus 2 to the 4, minus into minus plus 2 plus 30. So if I do this, then it will be minus 8 minus 6 4 the 24 plus 2 plus 30 is 32, isn't it? So this will be how much? Minus into minus plus, I have to add, that is 32. The sign will be of greater one, that is minus 24, minus 32 plus 32. So minus 32 plus 32 is 0, isn't it? So I am getting p of minus 2 as 0. Okay, so what will I do next? Now if p of minus 2 is 0, then therefore x plus 2. If p of 2 was 0, it will have been x minus 2, but if p of minus 2 is 0, then it will be x plus 2. So that means if you get negative, then it will become positive. It will become, if you get the factor as a, then it will be x minus a. If you get the factor as minus a, then it will be x plus a. Okay, that means the sign will be changed. So I got minus 2, so it will be x plus 2 is a factor of py, right? So next, what is my step? My step is to divide, isn't it? So divide what by what? Now you have to divide p of y by x plus 2, right? So whatever factor you got. So as I already told you, x plus 2 is a factor, so remainder you will get it as 0 obviously. So p of y is y cube minus 6y square minus y plus 30, isn't it? So next, sorry, this is not x, okay, this is y, because this is the polynomial in y. I am so sorry. Please ignore the previous one and write y plus 2. Okay, so because it is a polynomial in y. Okay, so y plus 2, you have to divide this. So with which term? That is y square, y into y square, y cube, plus into plus plus 2y square. Next, I will change the sign. This will become minus, this will also become minus. So this and this will be cancelled, isn't it? So minus into minus plus, that means it will be added. 6 plus 2 is 8y square, and the sign will be of greater one, that is 6, that will be minus y plus 30 will come down. So next is this one, because this is the term with the highest power. So minus 8y square, I have to divide with the term with highest power here, that is y. So this y and this power will be cancelled, then it will be minus 8y. So I have to multiply with minus 8y, isn't it? So if you multiply with minus 8y, then you will obviously get here plus into minus minus 8y into 8y, 8y square, plus into minus minus 2 into 8y, 16y. So next it will be, sign will be changed, so it will become plus, it will also become plus. So this and this will be cancelled obviously. So minus into plus minus. So that means you have to subtract. So y, if you subtract y from 16y, it will become 15y, but the sign will be plus only because 16 is greater than y here. 16y is greater than y only here, because in front of y we have 1. Okay, so the sign for 16y is plus, so it will become plus, so it is 30. So next what you have to do here, you have to see the term with highest power. It is 15y divided by the term with highest power here is y. So y will be cancelled, it will become plus 15. So that is how much? So y plus y into plus 15, 15y, plus into plus, plus 2 into 15, 30. So if you change the sign, so this and this will be cancelled, this and this will be cancelled, so remainder will be 0. Okay, so this is your quotient, this is your divisor. So next what you have to do, you have to use the division algorithm. Okay, so we know dividend equals to divisor into quotient plus remainder, right? Isn't it? So dividend was py, divisor was y plus 2, and what was the quotient? And quotient was y square minus 8y plus 15, y square minus 8y plus 15, plus remainder was 0, so we will not write it. Okay, so next part, what is my next part? I have to factorize this quadratic polynomial, so this will remain as it is. Okay, so can you tell me what will be the factor? We have to find the factor such that this we have to split 8 into 2 parts such that their product will be 15 and the sum will be 8. So I can say it is 5 plus 3, isn't it? 5 3 is 15, 5 plus 3 8. So both the conditions are satisfied, fulfilled. So this will be this much. So now we have to open the bracket. So if you open the bracket, it will become y square minus, we are opening the bracket with minus sign, so it will be minus 5y minus 3y plus 15. Okay, so this will be y plus 2. Now if I take y common from here, what will remain? Y minus 5. So here also I'll take minus 3 common, inside we'll get y minus 5. So next y plus 2, what is common here? Y minus 5. So what will come here? Y minus 3, isn't it? So this is your answer. Okay, so one more sum we have done for the factorization of a cubic polynomial. So what we have to do is, now what you have to do is, you have to do homework of homework is exercise 2.4 number 5, all questions. That is, you have 4 questions out there. Okay, 4 questions, you will do all the 4 questions as your homework. Okay, then please submit it in the group, and till the next video, you stay safe and stay home. Okay.